I was just gifted Moerie's ultimate hair growth mask, and I have got to tell you, I am so excited about this mask. It smells incredible, and I love the way this goes into my hair, as it really does seem to start absorbing immediately, and it actually gave my hair almost curl and body while I had the mask in, unlike so many hair masks that just feel like a bunch of gunk that I've squished on my head and try to hold together until I rinse it off. And then rinsing it off was beautiful too. It came out so wonderfully. I didn't feel like I had to rinse forever, and my hair is feeling so good. This is without question the best experience I've had with a hair mask yet. And on top of that, there is a lot going on here. This not only has biotin and caffeine and B vitamins to promote healthy hair growth, but it actually has 100 different nutrients in it to help your hair be its best. Thicker, fuller, longer. And they definitely recommend giving it a 30-day challenge, which I am doing with the whole Moerie line, and I'm so excited to see where this goes, as I'm already loving it so much. And to talk about Moerie real quick, this is a US company. They do make their products in Lithuania, but they are all clinically tested in the US. These are paraben and sulfate free. They really are free of all the bad stuff. Their ingredients are mostly non-GMO, natural ingredients. You really can read the list and understand what's in these. And the smell is from essential oils. So this really is a product that not only can you feel good about putting on your hair, but you can trust that it actually has ingredients that are going to make a difference. So if you are looking for a really fantastic hair mask, I cannot recommend the ultimate hair growth mask from Moerie enough.